let's cross through the 2000 years of history. Hadrian's Gate. Just immersed myself into 2000 years of history behind me. Hi again, so I am in these small tiny roads. I'm trying to get to Hadrian's Gate. Oh, there's cars can come here as well. It's quite amazing. And it's kind of market bazaar in here. Let's see, where is it? So I have to turn back. That is Yviliminare is that way, and I went round that walls. Okay. The stairs are there. So there is lots of clothes shop, carpet shops and everything. So there is 6 minutes walk. All these different kind of shops in here. Quite interesting. Stalls, carpets and stuff. This one, yeah, that is called for prayers. This is quite impressive. There is this Mehmet Pasha Kami. There is another mosque. And that is Sarampol Tradisi, I think. Tradisi. There is a remains of ancient wall over there, and behind it is the Maulana Lodge, and a historic, that is the Yviliminare. Walking towards Hadrian's Gate. So still 5 minutes walk. All this kind of local shops. I think this is a breakfast shop. Name of this road is Masit Iskay. It's quite confusing where to go. There is some cool barbers in here. Oh, that's the taking the walks out. Fresh juice. So there is lots of restaurants along this way. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's take some videos in here. This is starting to get busy. People are, I think, coming out. And this is the umbrella. It is a kind of trend now. There is lots of restaurants. Oh, that kebab smells good.
Yes, sir, yes. Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Hi.
So there is tons of, oh, this is nice. They have mantu, shrimp, lots of entry. Merhaba. Just checking, making videos. Huh?
Mantı, homemade, handmade.
What is those dumpling like?
Yes. Homemade. This.
What is this?
This is Ruski, Russia.
Oh, this
Ravioli.
is dumpling.
Yes.
Ravioli, yeah.
Yes, very nice.
This is
one
manti.
köfte, Mantı, yes.
Turkish, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Casserole, meat casserole, chicken casserole, fish, karides.
Yeah.
This rice, home rice.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Yapimi?
Ev yapımı
Lezzet.
lezzetler.
Ah, that's the name. Yeah. See you later.
Now I'm trying to sell here, you know.
So this is, I call this one restaurant street. Cheaper in here, sells the pomegranate juice. The largest 35 lira, which nice looking restaurant. So I think I am on right track. Oh, this is beautiful. The nice beautiful palm trees. But this one looks impressive. Let's go get some correspondence. I don't want the car to run me over. Ah, this is good. Let's see how far I am. I am around 2 minutes away from Hadrian Gate, and it's quite interesting walk, this one, towards Hadrian Gate, and there is tons of restaurants around. Any corner you see something, ice cream, juice, shops. I think this is the season that they are making their money. Souvenirs, jewelry, and this is a kind of shopping center on Antalya Turkiye Road, or Kaleici, I think they're calling it Kaleici. Correct me. Oh, here. So this is, we got here Hadrian's Gate. So this is the old wall, Hadrian Kapisi, which is quite impressive. I've seen lots of pictures of it and everything, but this is impressive. There is birds, these pigeons are resting in here. Quite interesting. It's not on that wall, but on this wall. Resting in here on that wall. What is interesting for them on this one? Okay, so this is Hadrian's Gate. We will get into it shortly. This impressive gate here. So it was built in the name of the Roman Emperor Hadrian, which is called Hadrian Gate. In Turkish it's called Uç Kapılar, or three gates, because of the three arches. It was built in honor of Emperor Hadrian visiting the city in the year 130 AD. And it's got three arches. It's called triumphal, which is freestanding arch. Let's get inside history. Inside this, you can come here and immerse yourself inside the history of this place. So this is it is 2000 years old. There is this, I believe, according to some information that I have, the upper part was then constructed at the time of Seljuk. Later, I think it is 13th century or something. So these are made of these joint marbles or rocks. Yeah. So there is those decorations over there, which is impressive. And these are, I think, the original stones from 2000 years ago. And this is definitely those stones from that time. So you come here, stand, and this place 2000 years ago people were walking through. So this groove in here, so this is the result of all the carts and horse carts, and everything was quite impressive. This is the mark from 2000 years ago along the history of this place when it was in use. And I think it was accidentally found. Some of the walls fell off. They found this place. This is Hadrian's gate, or Uç Kapılar in Turkish. I'm in awe of the history of this place. It is amazing. I love historical places, the history and the story that it tells through the centuries and thousands of years. Amazing. Immerse yourself to this history of this gate, Uç Kapılar, or Three Gates, or Hadrian's Gate. Let's crack on.